I just got a new mod box today in the post. This is Vaptio soar 150. Let's see what we get in the box. It is a good looking box. Let's get it open with a sharp tool. And this is the manual. What do we get inside? Not really much. Certificate of inspection. QC pass. Well, it looks quite good, I have to say. Oh, it's for two 850s. It is a really good looking device. Let's get it started. But before we'll get the 18650s inside, I have to show you that they will supply you with the charging cable. That looks quite good, especially for the price, but I am really surprised. As far as I remember, it wasn't expensive, but it looks much better than the Camry 30 V2 that I used to use for many years now. Just check the review of Camry 30 V2. They're not available anymore, but you can watch the review here if you click the link. But this one, it really looks nice. Oh, is it second-hand? Wait a second. Looks scratch on the panel. Yeah, if you look closely, the panel is scratched here and there. It seems to be a second-hand device. But it looks good. Maybe just the panel is scratched. Let's get the batteries inside. A couple of days later I realized that these are not scratches, it is just a protection film on the front panel. Ta-da! No scratches anymore. Nice and clean. The device will tell you what sort of atomizer you're using. I'm using stainless steel. I simply like them. I do prefer them over nickel wire. I will have to enjoy it for a while and I have to read the manual to uncover all of the tricks about this very product. Well, after studying the manual for a while and enjoying the thing, it's really brilliant. I just have to check the price and I will tell you in a second how much I paid for it, but for this price, I'm getting a second one just right now if they still have it. Brilliant. For the price, you can check the temperature if you want. It's ATC huge temperature controlled, and you can choose what type of coil you're using, titanium, stainless steel, nickel, then switch the temperature to whatever you like, and my favorite wattage control. So it is a brilliant thing, and it is a bit bigger than my old one. Just one second. This one is a bit smaller, you know, handier, much handier, but I lost my cover. It's a very good product. If you still can get them, they're just 30 watts. I don't need more because I use stainless steel, but it was a very good product. I'm really sorry that they don't do it anymore. I would get more of them if I could. But that's it. I'm gonna get another one of them, probably for my GF or maybe as a spur. Solid, really good device. As you probably noticed, I wasn't around for a while, but all the time I was using this very device and I am extremely happy with it. A second one that I got went to a friend of mine, and the third one that I ordered should arrive any day now, so it is a brilliant buy, around $20 on AliExpress. There is no affiliated link for this device. I will try to get you a regular link down below so you can get one of them. A brilliant device, very good price. I'm extremely happy with it. As you can see, I'm using a small one of them long atomizers, but I'm going to change for the short one, but still with stainless steel. You have to be aware that when you change the batteries inside, it will set the device for 75 watts, and that's much too much for stainless steel atomizers like this one, so you have to go down. I use around 6 to maybe 7, that's enough. And the batteries will last for about full day, easily, maybe 1.5 days. It simply depends how much you vape. So that's it for today. You can see my beaver is watching me and he's saying hello to you. That's it for today. If you want to watch some other of my videos, as usually, one here, and one here. And you have to subscribe to my channel by clicking my face here. That's it for tonight. Bye bye.